Hello friends and welcome to another quick scratch tutorial from Robotica. We are today going to make an animation on Asteroid Day. So let's get started. I'm first of all going to delete this cat and I'm going to pick up another sprite which is going to be a rock. I'm going to turn this rock into a asteroid. So let us select and edit this rock. So first of all I'm going to copy this rock and paste it again and place it upside down position below the original rock. Now I'm going to edit it. I'm going to delete a few substances. I'm going to readjust a few substances to make it look like an asteroid. After that, since I want my asteroid to look like it is crashing down on the earth, I'm going to add some fire substance along with it. I can find that in rocket ship, so I'm going to pick that up. I'm going to copy the fire from the rocket ship and paste it on my rock and place it behind the rock. I'm going to do it again one more time. But this time I'm going to pick another costume of the rocket. I'm going to pick another design of the fire. Let's add that. Now since I have both of these elements, I'm going to redesign another costume for this sprite. In another costume, what I'll do is, okay, the editing is done. In another costume, I'll just delete this fire and only keep those puffs around it to make it look like it is just getting banged up on the Earth's surface. And after that, I'm going to keep one more costume which is now going to host only the rock. Let's do that quickly. So once it is done, I'm going to design my stage. My stage is going to be nothing but a plain brown belt which looks like Earth's crust. So there we go. We have our costume, we have our stage. Now let us program our sprite. In the beginning, I'm going to place this rock on the right hand side top corner of the screen, and from there it is going to glide down towards the Earth's surface. So I'm also going to adjust the angle of this rock so that it looks like it is coming in the downward direction. Once the gliding is done to a particular position, the rock is then going to change its costume from the fiery costume to the costume only with puffs, and from that to the plain rock costume. After it is done, I'm going to add background music that would support a boom noise so that it would add some value to our animation of asteroid crashing on the earth. Let's do that. You can find this boom music in the existing music library. I'm also going to edit my stage. I'm going to make a small hole on my stage and done. Now we can use this animation in various stories. Let's try that. So here is my story.
Hi, I am Dino. I lived on Earth millions of years ago, but all my friends died and became extinct. This happened because a huge meteorite crashed the Earth. A meteorite is a solid piece of debris from an object, such as a comet or asteroid, that originates in outer space and survives its passage through the atmosphere to reach the surface of a planet. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the Sun. There are lots of asteroids in our solar system. Most of them live in the main asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. There are currently over 6 blocks known asteroids in our solar system. Did you know every year 30th of June is celebrated as World Asteroid Day? Asteroid Day aims to raise awareness about asteroids and what can be done to protect the Earth, its families, communities, and future generations from a catastrophic event. The official Asteroid Day website, asteroidday.org, will be streaming live for 24 hours on June 30th, during which many programs will be played from organizations and space agencies all around the world. All space lovers can tune into this website and learn more about asteroids and space. Thank you. Happy Asteroid Day.